Today, I'll show you how to use your iTour dual screen translator. Your translator has two screens that work simultaneously. To turn them on, press the power buttons on each screen. Note that both screens charge separately. The main screen's charging port is at the bottom, while the secondary screen's port is on top, requiring you to detach it for charging. After powering on both screens, you'll be prompted to select your language, connect to the Wi-Fi network, and set the date and time. You are now on the home screen. There are two buttons at the bottom of the main screen, one red and one blue, both used for translation. There are also two buttons on the top right for translation and volume adjustment. Swipe over to enter settings, where you can adjust brightness, volume, Wi-Fi, font size, language, and more. You can also access quick settings by swiping down from the top. Tap the AI Talk. Select the languages you need. Tap Settings to adjust voice style, broadcast speed, font size, and more. Tap here to select the translation mode. Press any voice button once to start translation.
Hello, nice
While
to meet you.
speaking, the main screen will display real-time bilingual translation, broadcast the translated
Hello, I am also very
text.
glad to meet
You
you.
can also tap the speaker icon to turn the translation voice broadcast on or off. Press any voice button again to end the translation. After translation is complete, you can view your translation history in settings. Long press any entry in history to delete or clear all records. To delete previous translations, press and hold the text, and choose Delete for just that text, or Clear to delete the whole page. Now let's go to dual screen mode. To start translating, you need to pair the devices. The secondary device displays a QR code for pairing. Scan this code using the main device's camera. Before scanning, make sure the screen's connector is snapped down, as this is where the camera is located, and it must be facing flat to scan correctly. Tap the scan code on the main screen, then bring it up and over to scan the QR code. The devices are now connected. Press any voice button to start translation. The device will automatically pick up either person's language and translate it accordingly. Translated content is real-time shared on both screens. Press any voice button again to end translation. Tap Listen. Select the languages. On the right is our language, and on the left is the other party's. Press and hold the blue voice button to speak. The translator will transcribe and translate your words in real time. Release the button to start the translation broadcast. After the translation broadcast is complete, wait for the wave icon below to turn red, and that's when the other person can speak. Translation and broadcast will start automatically as soon as they finish speaking. Translation results are shared on both devices. Press the red voice button to end the translation. Tap Long Range. Select the languages for both parties on the main device. You use the main device while the other party uses the secondary device. When you long press the blue button to speak, the main device translates it into the other party's language and broadcasts the translation. When the other party taps the microphone button on the secondary device to speak, the secondary device translates it into your language and broadcasts the translation, with translated content shared on both screens. Tap Click Talk. Select the languages you need. Then press and hold the corresponding voice button for the left or right language to speak. While speaking, the main device transcribes and translates in real time, displaying bilingual text. Release the button when finished speaking, and the main device will voice the translation. Tap Offline Translation. The operation steps are the same as those for Click Talk. It supports
Hello, nice to
mutual
meet you.
translation of 17 languages in offline mode.
我也很高兴见到你。
Nice to meet you too.
Tap Photo Translation. You are ready to take a photo. Aim at the text you want to translate, focus, and take the photo. You can crop the photo to avoid any unwanted text translation. Press check if you are happy, and it will start translating. It will pop up as text. You can press the text to hear the translation out loud, and press again to stop. Press Picture at the top left to see the translation over the original photo. Tap the album icon on the left side of the camera button to view your history, and you can press and hold an image to either delete just one or clear them all. Tap Tap Group Translation. Tap Create to connect with other iTour dual screen translator and set up a group where you can have translated conversations in real time.
你好，很高兴。
Tap Smart Recording. Select the languages you need. Tap the microphone to start recording and translating. Tap again to stop. When stopping, a pop-up will ask, "Do you want to save this recording?" Tap Save to save it, or Discard to dismiss. Tap the icon in the top right corner to view previous recordings. Tap the play button to play the recording original text only. Tap here to a recording to view its text. Long press a recording to delete it. Tap Real-Time Translation. Select the languages you need. Then press any voice button to start translating. Press again to stop. Tap the top right icon to scan the QR code with your phone, using apps like Chrome, PayPal, or WeChat, and receive translations in real time. Tap Phone Translation and scan the QR code using Chrome on your phone, or apps like PayPal, WeChat. For example, when scanning with Chrome, once the QR code is scanned successfully, the translation interface will appear on your phone. On both the main device and your phone, tap the icon in the top right corner to select the speaking language for each. Once set up,
Hello,
press
nice to
and
meet you.
hold the button below the main device or phone to speak. Your conversation will be translated aloud,
你好，我也很高
and the
兴认识你。
translated content will appear on
Hello,
your
nice to
phone
meet you
in
too.
real time. Tap Input Translation. Select your source and target languages. Then enter your text to see the translation and hear it spoken
Process
aloud. Tap Language Learning and select the languages you need.
Two.
Press and hold the voice button on the left or right to speak. When you finish speaking, release the button to get the translation and hear it read aloud. Then, go to the details screen by tapping this icon. Tap any text to play its audio. Hold any voice button to shadow the audio. After speaking, you'll receive a pronunciation score, a great way to boost your speaking skills. Go to Offline Package Management to download language packs for offline use. Tap World Clock to see current times in different time zones. Tap any time zone to add it. Tap Edit to delete entries. Tap Exchange Rate Conversion. Select your currencies, enter an amount in the box. Then tap Confirm button to convert exchange rates. Tap Unit Conversion. Select the units you want to convert. Enter a number in the input box. Then tap Confirm button to convert length, volume, weight, and temperature. After use, long press the power button on both screens to shut down. Thank you for watching.